welcome back to our channel. It's Lauren. Today I'm going to be making you how to make Taba squishies. Let's get started. So this is a silicone pigment paste for squishies. It dyes your squishies. So what we're going to need is liquid silicone to make them. Glue A and B, which I'm running out of. But you need to measure it and have the same amount in both cups. Let me get my measuring cup. And we're not gonna do very many squishies, so we're gonna put both at 5. And silicone B at 5 too. You have to go really slowly to get it out. Now I'm going to put this back in the box and I'm going to pour them into the mixing cup. And then I'm going to get something to mix. And you're going to do it before you put the dye in there and after, if you want it to be ready in at least 2 hours. Keep it very low. That was very fast because I mixed it fast and good. And then, wait, so these are our molds. I have 2 of them. And those are beach themed ones, and those are the ones you're going to be using. So I love the shell. That's my favorite one. So I'm probably going to do a shell and maybe, if I have enough, a little starfish. Yeah. So I might use, I love this lilac mist for the shell. It's so pretty. This is what it looks like if you do at least 3 drops. And then I have another one, and I did a little, that Taba squishy feels really good in there, and they're sticky too. I got this box from Amazon, and it comes with paint, but there's not even enough colors. There's only 3. So we're gonna do this fondant pink. And guys, you don't need to do too much. It's also really hard to squeeze out. That should be enough. I'll leave that there just in case we need more. And then you mix it really well. Now, this is gonna be a really pretty color. Yeah, so yeah, like what I said earlier, you have to mix it for at least 2 minutes before and after pigment. It'll take at least 2 hours if you mix it very well. But sometimes, like when I first got this kit, the first time I ever made a Taba squishy, it came with this paw mold. And it took a whole school day and longer. And my school day is 7 hours. So you gotta mix it very well. And read the instructions on the side. And after you're done, you gotta rinse it out right away with Dawn dish soap as soon as possible, or else it'll stain like this forever. Alright, that's probably done mixing, and now what we're gonna do is pour it into the mold. We gotta fill it up almost to the top. And it doesn't look like we're gonna have enough for this big starfish. So I'm gonna do this one. That's good. Now that's a really pretty pink right there. So now, since we're done, we're gonna let it sit for 2 hours and we'll come back to y'all. All right, guys. So they're completely done, and they were already done almost at an hour because I checked them just to make sure. So remember, I did the shell and the starfish. Take the starfish out first. I barely have any more silicone liquid. So it looks like this. It's so cute and it looks so good. Time for this squishy. Now that is sticky right there, but that is a good Taba squishy. Now time for the shell. It is so sticky, guys. But it is also very cute. Very sticky. Wow. If y'all get this, I hope y'all like the kit. And this turned out amazing, just like all the others. Add to my collection. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.